Oh my gosh, Colourpop, I am sick of y'all. Like, sis. Guys, this collection is just too cute. Just like, packaging is so cute. I haven't swatched anything just yet. Hold on. Let me introduce myself.
Catch LA, out the bank, yeah. Catch me at the bank or the beach, yeah. Catch me smoking dank with the fiends, yeah. I be out of space, out of reach.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Feliciayumm. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Give your girl some clout because I'm out here trying to punch out these motherfucking videos. Yes, I'm spending my hard-earned coin on these Colourpop palettes, and I hope that I'm bringing some value to somebody somewhere. This collection was really cute. I'm not gonna lie. Like, as soon as I saw it, I'm like, am I getting the whole, you know, PR package? Because I saw that $145 for the whole entire PR package, including the game. But I had to reel it back in because I'm like, I'm getting caught up in the packaging again. I have the game Candyland already that my son and I play religiously every weekend, and I had to just take it back. I wanted to give you guys the basics of what I got from this collection. So of course I hopped on and got the palette, and I want to show you guys how freaking cute is that. Like, so cute. I know Colourpop does this to me because they know I'm out here making these videos for y'all. They know. So they like, oh, let's make it all pink and pastel-y for Feliciayumm so she can spend her hard-earned coin on these palettes, okay? I do want to show you guys swatches. I also got the Princess Lally Roller Gloss. Another beautiful package, so cute. And I got the glowing lip balm in color Mr. Mint. And I also got the Super Shock Cheek, and this is in color Jolly. So I am gonna do some swatches for you guys. I want to show you guys what these colors, because they are very pastel-y. They are very, very pastel, and sometimes I'm a little weary of pastel colors, especially this mint green that I'm looking at right now called Rainbow Trail. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some swatches on my skin complexion, these on me, as well as blush. So if I don't get to a complete eyeshadow look, which I might put a little bit on just to, you know, show you guys something, but I'm definitely gonna go in the lips and the cheeks for sure. So that's for a fact. If you guys are interested in seeing these swatches on me, as well as see how this lip color comes out, the roller gloss and the Super Shock Cheek, go ahead and stay tuned.
Catch me smoking dank with the fiends, I be out of space, out of reach, Catch LA.
Alright, so I'm gonna start out with Candyland and Rush Hour, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what those colors appear on the skin. So this one is I said Rush Hour, did I really say that? Sugar High and Candyland. I would say Candyland is a little bit chalky. I do love Sugar High. This is so pretty, if you guys can see that. So the next two colors that I'm going to swatch is Cravings and King Candy, and we're gonna see how these turn out. So this one is Cravings and this one is King Candy. I do like King Candy a lot. I would say Cravings is probably a bit ashy for me. The next two colors I'm gonna go in is called Lord Licorice and Grandma Nut. Oh man, I actually like these colors a lot. You guys can see that. I like these two colors a lot. All right, Grandma Nut is really pretty. Like, I really like that one. That's probably one of my favorite colors out of this entire palette, next to Sugar High. I really like Sugar High. Next two colors I'm excited about. Okay, so Plumpy and Rainbow Trail. Plumpy is definitely it. I love Plumpy. And these are the last two colors in this palette. So, wow, this is really pretty. You guys see the shimmer in that one? This one is Candy Crush and this one is Gloopy, and those are really pretty. I like those colors a lot. Especially this one. I like Gloopy. That's a nice fall color. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed those swatches. And now I'm going to move on to the Roller Gloss and the glowing lip balm. All right, so I went ahead and took off the lip gloss that I previously had on, and I'm gonna use the Colourpop Land Roller Gloss, and this is what it looks like. And let's see how this, it is a little bit thin. I'm looking at it, it's not thick gloss, which I guess it would have to be thin if you have a metal ball. But I'm gonna roll it on and see what this be like. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, it's roller gloss. This would be probably, like when I go for gloss, I like it to be thick. I like it to be super, you know, like super thick. This is a little bit light. Like if you ever go to the hair store and you see those you know, the roller lip glosses at the counter or at the register, this is what this is. This is super thin, super like, okay. Nice try, Colourpop. It's cute packaging. Like I said, the packaging be getting me like every time. Like, next we are going to move on to the glowing lip balm. So they made it a point to say balm because they want you to know that this ain't the lipstick. So it's a balm, and this is in color mint, Mr. Mint. Let me take it off so you guys can see this color in its natural habitat. Whoa. This looked a lot darker online. I'm definitely gonna need a liner with this. Actually, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a liner on because I don't want to put my lips through that. It's way too light. We're gonna see. Man, I wish I could say more about it, but it's a chapstick, I guess. So I guess that's what I should have been expecting out of it. It said balm, so like I have to take it for what it is. It said balm. I guess I was thinking that it was a lipstick, but it's not. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the Super Shock Cheek, and this is in color Jolly, and this looked like a really pretty color too. Oh, I don't need no brush for this because this is like, I forgot when they say Super Shock is like one of those jelly type. This ain't no blush. This is a highlighter. I don't know why I thought this was a blush, which I'm not mad because it's actually a really pretty highlighter. But I definitely was going for the apples in my cheeks instead of my cheekbones. So that's a nice little highlighter. I love the consistency. It is creamy, so it does. I mean, but it kind of blends out like a powder. So it feels creamy to touch, but then it blends out like a powder. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this on my brow bone. Yeah, I know I'm a sucker for a shiny forehead, so I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead too. All right, so I kind of wish I don't think this collection had a blush. I wish I had a blush right now because I'm definitely swimming in this highlighter right now, and I wish I had some color on my cheeks. That's pretty much it as far as the gloss and the highlighter goes, which this is a surprise highlighter because I didn't know this was a highlighter. But I do want to do something to my eyes, my eyelids. So this is kind of difficult when you have lashes on, but
I'm just doing me, yeah. She got double D.
We'll improvise. Y'all already know I don't be knowing what to do with my eyes. I just be throwing shit on there. Let's go with Candyland. Let's see what it does.
Boy, yeah, hell boy, yeah, go to hell boy, yeah, yeah, Super Saiyan Psycho.
Should I do the green for y'all? That green, I actually like that green. That green is actually pretty dope. It's a little bit on the ashy side, not gonna lie.
Catch LA, I'll do, yeah. Catch me at the bank or the beach, yeah. Catch me smoking dank with the fiends, yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Overall, I would say that Colourpop or Colourpop Land, it's really pretty. Like I said, the packaging is on point. It's a very beautiful concept. I would say that they should have taken it back to the drawing board as far as like the quality of the eyeshadow. It's a little bit on the chalky side, not gonna lie. I feel like those colors could have been way more vibrant and popped a little bit more regardless if you use primer or not. I would have to rate this palette honestly like a C, because there are a few colors in here that I actually enjoy a lot that are really pretty that I didn't even use in this look. The roller gloss was a little bit on the thin side. I did like the Super Shock cheek jolly. I did like that. I did like the highlighter. And the balm was a little bit like it's a lip balm. So I guess I shouldn't have expected much from that. But overall, I feel like Colourpop has had better palettes than this, or better collections than this. I gotta keep it real with you guys, like it's not that great of a collection. It's a really cute concept though, and the packaging is on point. But am I gonna go back in this palette? Probably not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you found value in it. Comment, all that good stuff, and I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.
Yeah, big drip, I'm a drip god. I go drip draw, yeah. Hell boy, yeah. Go to hell boy, yeah. Yeah, Super Saiyan Psycho, Kobe, I go ISO.